Have you ever wished for a beautiful houseplant that looks amazing, survives neglect, and even helps clean your indoor air? Then you're about to discover why the snake plant is one of the most popular indoor plants in the world. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced plant lover, this incredible plant has secrets that can make it grow taller, fuller, and healthier than ever before. In today's video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from choosing the perfect location and watering correctly, to boosting growth naturally and avoiding common mistakes. Plus, you'll learn surprising benefits that make the snake plant much more than just a decorative plant. Stay until the end, because the final tip could completely change how you care for your snake plant. 1. Why snake plants are perfect for everyone. Snake plants, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, are famous for being one of the toughest houseplants you can own. Their upright, sword-like leaves bring a modern, elegant look to any room, while requiring very little maintenance. Unlike many indoor plants, snake plants tolerate low light, dry air, and occasional neglect without losing their beauty. This makes them ideal for busy people, beginners, office workers, and anyone who travels frequently. They come in many attractive varieties, with different leaf colors and patterns, allowing you to choose one that matches your home perfectly. Besides their appearance, they're slow-growing but incredibly long-lived, often thriving for many years with minimal care. That's why they're considered one of the best investments for indoor gardening. 2. Choosing the best pot and soil. Healthy roots are the foundation of every thriving snake plant. Always choose a pot with drainage holes, because standing water is the biggest enemy of this drought-tolerant plant. Terracotta pots work especially well since they absorb extra moisture and help prevent root rot. For soil, avoid heavy garden soil that stays wet for long periods. Instead, use a fast-draining cactus or succulent mix. You can improve drainage even further by adding coarse sand, pumice, or perlite. Loose soil allows oxygen to reach the roots and prevents fungal problems. Repot only when the roots completely fill the container or begin pushing the plant upward. Giving the roots just enough space encourages healthy growth without increasing the risk of overwatering. 3. Providing the right light. Snake plants adapt to almost any lighting condition, but the amount of light directly affects how quickly they grow. Bright, indirect sunlight is the sweet spot for producing taller leaves and vibrant colors. Near an east-facing or north-facing window is usually ideal. They can also survive in low-light corners, making them perfect for offices or bedrooms, although growth will be slower. Avoid placing them under intense afternoon sun for long periods, especially during hot summers, because the leaves may become scorched. If your plant begins leaning toward the light, rotate the pot every few weeks so all sides receive equal exposure. Consistent lighting helps your snake plant stay symmetrical, upright, and attractive throughout the year. 4. Watering without overwatering. The most common mistake snake plant owners make is watering too often. These plants store water inside their thick leaves, allowing them to survive drought much better than excess moisture. Always check the soil before watering by inserting your finger about 2 inches deep. If the soil feels completely dry, It's time to water thoroughly until excess water drains out. During winter, reduce watering even more because growth naturally slows down. Never allow the pot to sit in standing water, as this quickly leads to root rot. Wrinkled leaves usually indicate thirst, while soft yellow leaves often signal overwatering. Learning this simple watering routine will keep your snake plant healthy for many years. Five, temperature and humidity needs. Snake plants thrive in average indoor temperatures between 18 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, making them comfortable in most homes year-round. They don't require high humidity, unlike many tropical houseplants, so regular indoor air is perfectly suitable. However, avoid placing them near freezing windows, air conditioners, or heating vents, where sudden temperature changes can stress the plant. If temperatures fall below 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, growth slows dramatically and cold damage may occur. Stable conditions encourage stronger roots and healthier leaves. Their ability to tolerate dry indoor environments makes snake plants an excellent choice for apartments, offices, and homes where humidity levels fluctuate throughout the seasons. Six, fertilizing for faster growth. Although snake plants don't require frequent feeding, a little fertilizer during the growing season can significantly improve growth. Feed your plant once every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer using a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer diluted to half strength. Avoid overfeeding because too much fertilizer can damage the roots and leave salt buildup in the soil. Organic options like compost tea or worm castings also provide gentle nutrients while improving soil quality. Never fertilize during winter dormancy since the plant isn't actively growing. Combined with proper light and watering, moderate feeding encourages stronger roots, taller leaves, richer green color, and the production of healthy new pups around the base. Seven, how to propagate snake plants. One of the most rewarding parts of growing snake plants is how easily they multiply. The fastest method is dividing mature plants during repotting by separating rooted pups from the mother plant. Each division should have healthy roots and several leaves before being planted in fresh soil. Another popular method is leaf propagation. Simply cut a healthy leaf into sections. Allow the cut ends to dry for a day or two, then place them in moist soil or water. New roots eventually develop, followed by tiny new plants. While leaf propagation requires patience, it's a fun and inexpensive way to grow multiple snake plants that you can decorate your home with or share as thoughtful gifts. Eight, common problems and easy solutions. Even tough snake plants occasionally face problems. Yellow, mushy leaves usually indicate overwatering, while brown, crispy edges often result from underwatering or prolonged exposure to intense sunlight. Drooping leaves may signal root damage, poor lighting, or physical injury. If pests like spider mites or mealybugs appear, wipe the leaves with a damp cloth and treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Dust can also collect on the broad leaves, reducing photosynthesis. so gently clean them every few weeks with a soft, damp cloth. Regular observation allows you to catch small issues before they become serious, ensuring your snake plant remains healthy, vibrant, and beautiful throughout every season. 9. Amazing benefits of snake plants. Snake plants offer much more than attractive foliage. They help improve indoor environments by contributing oxygen through photosynthesis and are often appreciated for their hardiness in homes and offices. Their upright leaves create a calming, organized appearance that enhances nearly any decor style, from modern apartments to traditional homes. Because they require little maintenance, they reduce the stress of constant plant care while still providing year-round greenery. Many people also enjoy placing snake plants in bedrooms, living rooms, and workspaces because they're compact, adaptable, and visually striking. Their ability to thrive with minimal attention makes them one of the most practical indoor plants available, especially for people with busy lifestyles. 10. Final care secrets for a thriving snake plant. Growing a stunning snake plant isn't about complicated techniques. It's about consistency. Give it bright, indirect light whenever possible. Allow the soil to dry between waterings. Use well-draining soil. Avoid excessive fertilizer. And protect it from freezing temperatures. Rotate the pot occasionally. Remove damaged leaves promptly, and clean the foliage to maximize photosynthesis. Repot only when necessary, and don't be afraid to propagate healthy pups into new plants. With these simple habits, your snake plant can reward you with steady growth, beautiful upright leaves, and many years of effortless beauty. Sometimes, doing less is actually the secret to growing one of the healthiest houseplants in your home. Now you know everything you need to grow a healthy, beautiful snake plant that can thrive for years with surprisingly little effort. From choosing the right soil and watering properly, to encouraging faster growth and avoiding common mistakes, these simple care tips can make a huge difference. Which tip surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your snake plant journey. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy plant care tips, gardening secrets, and indoor plant inspiration every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right care, every home can become a greener, healthier, and more beautiful place.